Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click up default apps app settings. After that you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page you will enter to the window of force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.